สวัสดีครับผมก็จะมา
shot of the day is off target. Forward from the keeper. Soler. Great technique. Oh, he did really well there in infield. Oh, determined challenge there. Oh, he did really well there. Passed inside. Is this a goal? So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. It's with the striker. The defender's back on the ball. Well intercepted. Striker's ball. Well taken by the goalkeeper. Sends it long. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. 'Sends it long. Played back to the goalkeeper. What a well-timed tackle.
แล้วเราก็จะถึงเวลาสุดยอดเลยครับ
Sad to see a player put the ball in his own net. Only hoping to make it up to his team now. Striker's ball. It's a tight game. Can they create something with this attack? Oh, determined challenge there. Defenders back on the ball.